maintain a trading diary of all of the trades you do each day. You know, the products, the times you trade, in and out, the result that you got, perhaps the result that you was looking for. Also the rationale, a little reason, a little note why you made that trade, why you got in, why you got out as well, because that's useful to help you analyze yourself in the future to work out what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. You know, we only learn really from our mistakes. We don't learn too much from our winning trades, but we learn a lot from the losing trades. And there was a famous Chinese general, Sun Tzu, and he was a military strategist and philosopher who fought many, many battles. And his philosophy was, in the art of war, every battle is won or lost before it's ever fought. So that means it's the preparation and the planning before you even enter that battle that is going to be deciding the outcome. And it's exactly the same for trading. So it's important to create a trading plan. This will also help prevent over trading. It will hopefully help to produce consistency. Consistency is such a great thing to have in trading, so much better than having erratic profits and losses. It controls a lot more your emotions that you go through, because maybe you're never going to make a fortune in a day, but you should never lose a fortune in a day. And for me, I always think tomorrow's another day. So if it doesn't go quite the way I planned today, I'll just come back and try again tomorrow.